So like he was blaming me for everything, and I was like, it wasn't my fault. It was actually his fault. He was the problem. Like he was the drama.
Trinity,
What?
we're rolling.
Oh, cut.
Good afternoon. I'm Trinity, and this is Foundation C Interviews. Today, we'll be discussing about film composers, and in just a few moments, we'll be getting the chance to interview famous composer Hans Zimmer. But first, let me give you a bit of background. Film composers create the musical score that accompanies a film, and the union that protects the rights of these composers is the American Society of Composers, Authors, and Publishers, aka ASCAP. They license the public performance rights of their members' musical works to venues, broadcasters, and digital streaming services. Damn, ASCAP is no cap. Who told me to make that line? Okay, anyways, now let's see what the day in the life of a composer looks like with Stanley as he interviews Hans Zimmer in the Boston Commons.
Today, we're in the beautiful Boston Public Garden, where we're going to interview a very legendary film score composer who you may know from his work on Inception, Tenet, Dunkirk, the Dark Knight trilogy, Interstellar, and of course, Shark Tales. He is known for pioneering the use of combining old and new musical technologies. Today, his work has earned him an Oscar nomination and the reputation of being the father of integrating the electronic music world with traditional orchestral arrangements. Welcome, Mr. Hans Zimmer.
Hi, how are you?
Who are you?
I'm Hans Zimmer. Nice to meet you.
Oh, okay, Mr. Zimmer. Shall we begin our interview?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so where were you born, Mr. Zimmer?
I was born in Germany.
And how did you get into the world of film music?
Okay, I started in London under the long collaboration with the famed composer and my mentor, Stanley Myers.
Oh, that's really interesting.
But do you want me to show you where the first began?
Yeah, take me to where it first began.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, so this is where it all started?
Yeah, definitely true. I started playing piano for 2 weeks, but I hate it because they didn't teach you to put what's on your mind into music. They just teach you how to play the old song by old dead man that no one cares about. So I became self-taught. The whole point of music is to play, just to play.
Wow, so you're really not like other composers, you're really just an artist. Can you play something for us, Mr. Zimmer?
Yeah, of course. That was from Inception. Welcome to my sound studio. I pretty much spend a lot of time here, and my job as a film score composer is to figure out what each character, action, and scene would sound like, and produce it through music. You need to make the meaning beyond the words or descriptions. You just have fun exploring what emotion a given scene needs.
Okay, but I thought that you would have a lot more equipment, like the keyboards and the audio systems, and where's everything else?
This is just what I have in my home. My actual studio is much more fancy.
Oh. So, what projects have you been working on recently?
Right now, I'm working on the score for Dune.
Oh, so can you give us some examples of how you compose music in the movie?
Yeah, sure. I've messed around with PVC piping, just blowing into modified benzeries. And then I got guitarists and duoducks pretending to be bagpipes. I got actual bagpipes backing up the fake bagpipes. I have a cello trying to be the Tipton war horn, but actually they don't have the real war horn. But it doesn't matter. It worked. So you just need to be creative and have fun with the music.
Thank you so much, Mr. Zimmer.
You are welcome.
Well, I guess that's the end of our interview. Where are you going, Mr. Zimmer?